This is surgical cautery 300 watt digital model with the ABS body shockproof. Behind the machine you will find the exhaust fan, intensity enough to control the volume of the cutting and coagulation. Mains cord, on off switch is given here. Below the machine there is a stand. In this machine, left hand side you will find the active port where you have to insert an active chuck handle, banana jack pin here for the active handle. Second port is for the hand switch with the 3-pin connector. Connect it accordingly. Third port is for the patient plate, 2 banana jack pin at the machine end, 2 banana jack pin to the patient plate. The light will go off which was glowing, which was showing the connectivity of the patient plate. This port bipolar, 2 banana jack pin, you have to insert it here. For the bipolar, detachable bipolar forceps is provided with the machine. Here the port is given for the foot switch with the 3 pins in the machine, 3 female pins at the foot switch end. Connect it. You have to tighten it properly. This is for the monopolar foot switch, for the bipolar foot switch. Tighten it properly. 2 foot switches are provided. One is with the monopolar cutting and coagulation. Bipolar is for the bipolar mode. Single pedal foot switch. Left hand side you can find the active handle which will be working with the monopolar foot control. This is for the cutting one. Coagulation. This is with the active handle foot control one, which you have to use a foot pedal. Here the hand switch pencil is there with the button switches, yellow and blue. Yellow is for the cutting, blue is for the coagulation. The intensity is very much, we'll keep it on to 43 and coagulation onto 18 and bipolar onto 20. This is for the cutting one, cutting purpose. Coagulation purpose you have to press blue button. You can keep an intensity according to your requirement, your satisfaction. Now the bipolar. For bipolar, individual foot switch is given, single pedal one, you can use it for that. This is for the bipolar mode. This is the surgical cautery 300 watt digital model. In this you will find there is a first port cutting. In that you will find program this mode pure 100% cutting you will be getting. Blend 1 you will be getting 70% cutting and 30% coagulation. Blend 2 you will be getting 40% cutting and 60% cutting, 40% coagulation you will be getting. And in this blend 3, 50% cutting and 50% coagulation you will be getting. The second port is coag. The spray is with the, you can operate a ballpoint electrode for the spray, fulgurate for the cutting electrode, desiccate is for the neurosurgery, the point electrode cutting coagulation you can do onto this. In this bipolar function you will be finding a soft mode for the small tissues and a force which is for the 100% coagulation for the maximum tissues. This is how you can operate the machine 300 watt digital model.